Dito kayo.
Sa ano ka na ba?
Oo, malaan natin. Ha? Oo, pag natapos ang kaibigan, dito tayo. Bata eh. Tak. Oh, sige.
So welcome to Hazewood Cabin 22. We would like to tour you here. This is one of the 4 bedrooms. This is 4-bedroom cabin. As you can see, this is the kitchen and we have a dining area. You can also cook here and then wash here and then enjoy. And if you want to take a bath here, and
Ang ganda!
Oh! Yay! You can transfer your dress.
May lock kaya?
Oh yan, may plancha! Ano gagawin nyo?
Oo,
Magbibihis!
Ako magsasaing sa susunod. Hi everyone! Welcome to Hazewood Retreat. And today is the first day of our camp. Bali 5 days kami. So first time ko sumama sa camp nila. And hindi ko alam kung paano magiging program. First time ko din na mag-attend ng camp nang hindi ako kasali sa nagpa-program.
Bakit nagdadrama ka?
Hindi kasi
may electric fan sila every corner, oh. Wala namang space. Talaga, ang laki. Ano po kami? Our table.
Actually, a time I was talking to my colleague, and I was telling her that you know that we are roadie.
Clear, so you can follow your face. Mags dun eh.
Si Sheena woke up like this eh.
Eto na yon.
Hindi siya gano'n.
Morning. And then alright, last one if you can. If you can do another one, another lap around.
Come on, tita. Faster, faster. Going, going. Tama ka, Tito.
Dapat ano, tumatakas ka eh.
Ano ka ba? Ito yung win. Uy, ang bilis nila.
Yan, cheating yan.
Nakapangalawa ikot na sila. Asa na kayo?
High nickname. All right, so let's be ready to listen to the word of God.
Rock, paper, scissors, get ready! White team! Paper, scissors, shoot!
This is the day. This is the day that the Lord has made. That the Lord has made. We will rejoice. Pentecostal.
Bakit kayo may jacket?
Tagalog. Ito ang araw. Ito ang araw na gawa ng Diyos. Nagawa ng Diyos. Tayo magsaya. Tayo magsaya.